What's up guys? Welcome back again sa aking Facebook page. At sa araw na ito, we're going to find the volume of a cone. At ito yung formula na ating gagamitin. So we have V equals pi times r squared times h over 3. Wherein the equivalent of pi, the symbol, ito yung symbol ng pi, that is 3.14. Yan yung gagamitin natin sa pag-solve. 3.14 yung pi, and then the radius is 2 centimeters, and while the height is 5 centimeters. So let us now find the volume of a cone with the radius of 2 centimeters and with the height of 5 centimeters. Okay, so yung gagamitin natin tong formula na to, V equals yung formula ng pi, that is 3.14. Lagyan natin 3.14 multiplied by the radius, closing parenthesis, kasi yung value ng radius natin is 2 centimeters. Since square din nakalagay, so it means dalawang beses natin multiply yung value ng radius multiplied by 5 centimeters. Okay, hindi natin kakalimutan na mag-over ng 3 kasi i-divide natin yan sa 3 later on. Next, so we have 3.14 times, unahin natin lagi na sa parenthesis, 2 times 2 equals 4. There are 2 centimeters, so squared centimeters times the height, which is 5 centimeters over 3 equals, so we have 3.14 times 4. So we have 3.14 times 4. Okay, so we have 4 times 4 equals 16. Bring down 6, carry 1. 1 times 4 equals 4, plus 1 equals 5. 3 times 4 equals 12. So move 2 places from right to left. 1, 2, 1, 2. So that is 12.56. So kapag minultiply mo ang 3.14 times 4 centimeters squared or squared centimeters, the answer is 12.56 squared centimeters multiplied by the height 5 centimeters divided by 3 equals 12.56 times 5. So let's write, so 12.56 times 5. Okay, so we have 6 times 5 equals 30. Bring down 0, carry 3. 5 times 5, that is 25. Plus 3 equals 28. Bring down 8, carry 2. 2 times 5 equals 10. Plus 2 equals 12. Bring down 2, carry 1. 1 times 5 equals 5. Plus 1 equals 6. So move 2 places from right to left. 1, 2, and that is 62.80. So we have 62.80 cubic centimeters. Kasi squared centimeters na to, and then combined by centimeters there, kaya naging cubic centimeters na. And then we will divide it into 3. So let us divide now. So we have 62.80 divided by 3. So 6 divided by 3 equals 2. 2 times 3 equals 6. Bring down 2. So since 2 cannot be divided into 3, so di pa tayo pwede magbaba ng number. So lagyan natin is 0 kasi may bakanting area dito na lalagyan dapat natin ng number. And 0 times 3, that is 0. And then put the decimal point here. 2 minus 0 equals 2. And then bring down 8. 28 divided by 3. And that is 9. So because 9 times 3 is 27. 8 times 7 equals 1. 0, 10 divided by 3 equals 3. And 3 times 3 equals 9. So the answer is 20.93. So the answer is 20.93 cubic centimeters. Okay? So if you find the volume of a cone na mayroong radius na 2 centimeters at may height na 5 centimeters, you will get the answer 20.93 cubic centimeters. And that is our final answer. What's up guys? Welcome back to my Facebook page. At sa araw na ito, I'm going to discuss to you on how to find the volume of a cone. So yung volume ng cone na formula na gagamitin natin is the same as doon sa cylinder. Pero since sa past lesson natin, so ang cone is 1/3 of the cylinder. So ito yung formula niya. So we have volume equals pi times r squared times h divided by 3 or over 3. Kasi yung cone 1/3 lang siya ng cylinder. And then ulitin natin na ang value ng pi, that is 3.14. So let us solve. If the radius is 3 centimeters and height is 5 centimeters. With the use of this formula. So let's begin. So we have volume equals pi times r squared times h over 3. So the value of pi is 3.14 times the value of radius is 3 centimeters. So since r squared, dalawang beses natin i-multiply yung value ng radius, kaya dalawa. Okay, multiplied by the height, which is 5 centimeters over 3. Okay, so 3.14 times 3 times 3 equals 9 centimeter or 9 squared centimeters times 5 centimeters. Kahit i-remove na natin itong okay. So 9 squared centimeters times 5 squared centimeters and divided by 3. Okay. Next, so we have 3.14 times 9 squared centimeters. So let's solve. 3.14 times 9. So 4 times 9 equals 36, bring down 6, carry 3, 1 times 9 equals 9, 9 plus 3 equals 12, bring down 2, carry 1, 3 times 9 is 27, 27 plus 1 is 28. So 2 places from right to left, so that is 28.26, 28.26 unit of measurement, that is squared centimeters, multiplied by its height, 5 centimeters, divided by 3. So 28.26. So we have 28.26 times 5 centimeters. So 6 times 5 equals 30, bring down 0, carry 3. 2 times 5 equals 10, plus 3 equals 13, bring down 3, carry 1. 8 times 5 equals 40. 40 plus 1 is 41. Bring down 1, carry 4. 2 times 5 equals 10. 10 plus 4 equals 14. So move 2 places from right to the left. 1, 2, that is 141.40.30 cubic centimeter divided by 3. Okay? So let us divide 141.30 divided by 3. So we have 14 divided by 3, that is 4. So that's 12. To make it 12, 14 minus 12 equals 2. Bring down 1, 21. 21 divided by 3, and that is 7. 7 times 3, that is 21. And put the decimal point over here. Bring down 3. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. 1 times 3 equals 3. And then there's a 0 there. Bring down 0. 0 times 3. 0 divided by 3, that is 0. And then 0 times equals 0. So the answer is 47.10 cubic centimeter. Okay, so when you find the volume of a cone with the radius 3 centimeters and the height of 5 centimeters, you will get the answer 47.10 cubic centimeters. Right?